gloves use करना. Yes, next one, underline the plural noun in each sentence. See, there were lots of sheep on the farm. Which one is the plural form? Sheep. Seema used a pair of blue pillars to cut the wire. Pillars. My grandmother is always losing her spectacles. The plural form is, plural word is spectacles. Nasral saw a variety of fishes at the aquarium. Fishes is a plural word. The doctor told mom to wear sunglasses when she went out in the sun. The sunglasses is a which one? Plural noun. Okay. Then common gender nouns. That is a male or female or common. See. Here these are the common nouns. Here it is given a common noun. Tourist. It is a common. Male or female. Both the nouns we can use only a common noun. That is tourist. Okay. In a male we can use tourist. In a female we can use tourist. Okay. The hotel was many rooms for each guest. Guest female होएगा और male होएगा, but we call guest. The receptionist works at the main desk, cooks or chef. Cookies if it is male or if it is female. Okay, that is common. Here it is some given the common gender: doctor, baby, principal, guest, parent. Okay, see. Here it is given the you write the masculine nouns or feminine nouns or common nouns. Okay, common gender. See, father is a masculine gender, person is a common gender, aunt is a feminine gender, baker is a common gender, king is a masculine gender, peon is a feminine gender, friend is a common gender, student is a common gender, grandmother is a feminine gender, child is a common gender, woman is a feminine gender, and boy is a masculine gender. Okay, and so you write the some sentence here. I given already that one. You fill up that. Write the nouns given in the box in the correct column below. Here it is the feminine nouns. What are the feminine sounds? Daughter, goddess, sister, queen. Masculine gender: prince, wizard, nephew. Common gender: driver, judge, tourist, thief, and artist. Okay, see the countable and uncountable. Countable, here it is a fill in each blank with a suitable noun from the story above. This story say आप ये लिखना है. How many flowers are there in the vase? That is a countable. Coco likes getting wet in the rain. Rain is uncountable. Mrs. Brown was upset with Coco for bringing mud into the house. Mud is a uncountable. Mr. and Mrs. Brown have a lovely house. Countable. Nouns. Complete the table with the nouns from the story. Nouns for things we can count. Example. See, this story say a story. आप read करके इसका एक countable, uncountable which are there, you separate it. Okay. Here it is garden, window, house, watering can. These are the countable. And here uncountable: morning, rain, coffee, water. These are uncountable. Here it is given the page number 14. It is given a column, the color the countable nouns red and the uncountable nouns green. आप countable noun को red color करना है, uncountable noun को green color करना है. Okay. What are the countable nouns? That is you put a red color. Countable nouns you put a red color. What are they? See, here it is a tree and bottle, playground, okay, train, phone, umbrella, sister, flag, park, dog. These are uncountable nouns. Okay, you put which color you use it? Red color. And the others are uncountable, you use green color. And see the fill in each blank a, an, or some and a suitable noun. There is an ant, that is an article. I saw a monkey have some milk. A milk, not say a milk, have some milk. And here is some paper. because this is a and an is countable, है ना, but some we can't countable, that is a uncountable nouns. An elephant we can count it, some cheese we can't count it. Okay, here it is a collective noun. See the next pages, page number 15. See bees. Read the sentence in the pictures above, match the words that go together. Bees, which one? Swarms. The collective name of collective noun of a bees is a swarm. Second one. Then flowers, bunch of flowers. Then people, family. Okay, then here it is given the unscrambled word, we can rearrange it. Here it is a bundle of sticks, bunch of keys, school of fish, herd of elephants. Okay, see, class, our class will go on the field of this Thursday. Divya tied a bundle of sticks, a pack of old slices. Can you see that flock of birds? The team will play. Okay, then underline the collective nouns. Here the first one is pack, second one is flock, third one is chest, fourth one is swarm, and the fifth one is a gang of the thieves. Okay, look, sixth one is that litter of puppies, the herd of elephants. Here it is given the herd of giraffes. The crowd cheered. Okay, the crowd of people. Circle the collective noun and complete each sentence. See, Rahul and his band, not a pack. Okay, band. There is a pile of books, not a little of books. I bought a bouquet, not a bouquet. We use bouquet of flowers. Alka gave her mothers to string of pearls. Please place this stack of chairs, not say bundle of chairs. Okay, stack of chairs. Tick the correct box for each noun given below. See, corn, which are the correct noun? Here it is sheep and army, troop, bunch, flight. These are the collective nouns. Okay. See this one, the page number, possessive form of nouns. Here it is given the circle the suitable word to complete each sentence about the story above. Gina and Kim's little brother is called a Tony. The next day I explain this lesson and solve the problem. Okay.